Okay guys, I'm going to go over how to submit an STL to be printed on the Dimension SS768 3D printer. I want it by my desk. We'll work out a little different process for the Digilabs that are coming in shortly. But so I've made in this case it is a part for a marble run that is complete, where it fits with the Lego Duplo marble run set. I'm going to go ahead now and go to my Google Classroom, and in there, under the beginning of the year, there's an informative post that is the 3D print queue. To have an item printed, add an STL file to the folder and put your name on the document in that order. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on this. So I'm simply going to put an STL folder in here, and then I'm going to open this document and add my name to it. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and do an STL file. So on here I'm going to come over here to the file button. I'm going to come over here and export, and I'm going to export it. The name is Looper2 version 4. I'm going to change the type to an STL. That's a must. And then I'm going to hit export. Now the location is actually going to go to my desktop pictures, so I'm going to instead change it to send it to my downloads and hit save and then export. Now it's going to take a little time here. If I haven't saved my part, it will insist that I save first before it's able to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and pause for a moment, as this might take a couple minutes to download. Okay, didn't take very long at all. But it's now complete. So now I'm going to go to this, the internet here. I'm going to go to the 3D print queue, and then I'm going to go down here and go ahead and double click on my desktop folders here, and I'll go to my downloads, and I'm going to drag the Looper2 into here. It's going to upload, take a second, so now it's there. I'm going to go up to this document, and I'm going to put on there, the file name was Looper2 V4. I'll put my name, and I'll put the date. Today is the 15th, 15/21. And at this point, I'm good. I'm complete. I check them every time it comes off. So I can go ahead, and if I see that, I'll go ahead and throw it on, and just kind of rolls. When I am done with it, when I put it on the plate, I will strike through. So if you look on there and you see that it's been struck through, that means it's on the plate currently being printed. And when it comes off, certainly I'll let you know. But thank you, and this is how to submit something for a 3D print.